Are you here for the workshop? Well, come on.
At this point, I'm mostly excited about, we've got an upcoming workshop in Los Angeles. I love the Los Angeles people. There's nothing that really substitutes for the in-person experience of a workshop. So we've got one coming up. If you're not in this one, hopefully we'll see you at another one.
Yeah, so people, typically when you do seminars with a traditional martial art, like Bujinkan in our case, they're wondering what you are going to present, right? And sometimes instructors will say, would you like me to present something with you? And usually that means we're going to be going to the books, to the lineage, to the scroll, and we're going to just teach something almost line by line, just from a particular perspective, or maybe something from, like, when I went to Japan, I saw so-and-so do it this way. People are looking for a different perspective. But with Open Budo, what we're doing is we're teaching a bunch of principles, and we have a whole bunch of different practices, including language practices, where actually you can mix and match. It's almost like a choose-your-own-adventure game, where once you've done enough of these games and practices, you can apply them across the board to just about anything in the Bujinkan lineage. And of course, just 2 or 3 games and practices aren't going to cut it. There's an infinite number of games that it's really just up to your imagination, what you need to be doing that day. What are you trying to do with your students? What is the experience level of the room, and what's the range of experience in the room? And so it is more work for you as an instructor. But this is actually why we're teaching some of these seminars, right? Is so that we can give you a tool chest so that you can just pick the right tool for the right job for what you happen to be teaching that day, that week, that month, or the theme for the year.